Have you seen the statements from your lead sponsors, Ahmadiyya?
Yes, please.
They say they invested about 300,000 cedis.
It's even more. It might be more.
It might be more.
It might be more.
So, Chef Smith, you knew that you didn't have any authorization, and you watched on and allowed them spend that much money. Once again, why? What do you have to say to your sponsors? I'm sure that they're definitely watching.
Ways wouldn't be enough. I feel like at this point in time, I give my life out to them to do to me as they wish. I don't even deserve to live because it's too much for me to bear.
So, by virtue of saying that you forged your application reference number and the document, did you forge the certificate too?
Yeah. Because it started with lies, it has to end with lies.